Hey, it's Lourdes Alden. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Sabrina Carpenter from her espresso video, and let's get into it. Priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. From the ColourPop Feeling Bubbly palette, I'll be using the shade Blank Slate as my transition shade on my crease and lid. Between my crease and my brow bone, I'll be using the shade Bubble Up. On my outer V and crease to define it a little bit more, I use Get a Grape. On my eyelid, I use the shade Bubble Up. To brighten up my eyes more, I use the shade So Complex. Smudging Blank Slate on my lower lash line. Smudging Bubble Up on my lower lash line as well. Last but lightly, Get a Grape will be smudged. Creating a simple winged eyeliner with About Face Fluid Eye Matte Paint in Weightless. Setting my winged eyeliner with Get a Grape from Feeling Bubbly palette by ColourPop. For false lashes, I'll be using the Ardell Naked Lashes in 421 along with my Dual Lash Glue. Hiding my upper lash line with black and brown eyeliner. Priming my face with the e.l.f. Suntouchable. As foundation, I'll be using the e.l.f. Camel CC Cream in Light 240W. Covering my imperfection with Allegro Pro Coverage Concealer in Natural. Contouring my entire face with Allegro Pro Coverage Concealer in Espresso. For blush, I'll be using the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush in Dusty Rose. For highlighter, I'll be using the Rare Beauty Liquid Blush in Enlighten. Lining my lips with ColourPop Lippy Pencil in BFF2. As for lipsticks, I'll be using the ColourPop Lippy Sticks in Cookie. To make it all shiny, I use the e.l.f. Lip Oil in Honey Talks. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!